It's Chris from Grow Life. We're out at Northshore today doing some asphalt repairs and resurfacing. As you can see, we've got the team behind us, removing the old damaged section, profiling it, ready for the new asphalt to go in place.